Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make your own logo in Canva. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So first I am starting off with the template 1080 by 1080 pixels, and I'm going to go ahead and add in some text. So right here I went ahead and split up the text a little bit because I want to kind of like do like different designs for each kind of like letters. So I went ahead and picked different fonts and different styles and colors for them. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it, and I'm just going to keep the A. If you look down the line, I actually attempted to try to do this, but it didn't work out. So I went ahead and just placed a spacing between them. That way the clip art of the lash can go in between the L and the S. Now I'm about to go ahead and play around with the color. A lot of pink and blue going on. And you are always going to see me do my favorite thing. Give it a shadow. Make it pop out a little bit. Do like a hollow effect with the wording. That way it has like a cute little border around the word. And that is how you make a logo inside of Canva. If you guys want to see more tutorials with Canva, make sure that you guys stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more. I have more business tips and Canva tutorials loading soon.